with SoftSquares, I'm going to work on block 2 of this really cute pattern called Jingle Bell Pines. It's put together by 2 artists who have collaborated, called Coffee Clatch, and the artists' names are not where I can get to it. There we go. Kate Colleran Designs and Poor Health Designs. So it's these 2 gals right here. They're the same ones who made the Happy Hallows quilt that I did in the fall of 25, and I did a sew along for that. So this will come together real easy because that was a lot of fun. Now I do sell these as a kit. It's just a quick overview. This is what it comes in as a box, and this is my block 1. So I just put it in the box. But all your fabric is in there, and I'm going to start making number 2. Block 2 is Tannenbaum, or the tree. We're going to make 3. I've already cut out my strips, and so now all that's left is to subcut. And some of these, it told me to take fabric from a previous block. Well, I've only done block 1, so it says take what you had from this block and now let's use it. So I didn't actually cut all of these. Like then this is left over from my block 1. All right, so basically this pattern is available at SoftSquares.com, and you can also get the kit that comes with the pattern also at SoftSquares.com, and you will get it just like that, everything all at once. And I'm using confetti cotton, which are Riley Blake's high quality basics. And then this is called Shabby, and it has a little bit of texture to it. It's also Riley Blake basic, and that's our background. So let's get cutting into this. These go here. Here's the leftover, or the other piece for that. And then after that, we're going to have this one, which is the bottom tier of the tree. And this one is going to take these little squares. And these are going to go like this. We're going to open up. We're going to go on all 3 of these. So I'm going to let these sit here. We're going to start chain stitching. So I've got half of these blocks done. This is the top tree that goes with this one. This is the next row of the tree, and it gets this one. And then the bottom row gets this one. And so now I'm going to do the same thing I did here, where I'm going to press it so that I have a fold. This is going to be easy because it's a square, but these are not. So this one, I need to make sure my brain is going the right way. So I'm going to sew it on this way, going that way. So I'm going to get my first one done. I'll be fine. And that's super simple. We're going to put 3 of these, and then the things on both sides. So I'm going to start with one side, and then I'll be done with that because I can chain stitch everything. trunk, I made sure I pressed to the middle, not only because it's the dark side, but because it will actually help the tree raise up a little bit and give it some dimension. It'll look like it's not flat. So we were making trees. I think you knew that though. Here we go. This is how they look. There's our tree and its trunk. And that's it. I'm going to make 3 of these. I'm going to sew them all together. My little tree blocks are done. I have 3 of them. I'm not going to square them up just yet. That came together pretty easy. See you in the next video.
SoftSquares, soft and bright.